Alright guys, we're coming at you with another BME Pain Olympics video reaction, and I guess this one's way worse.
And this
I don't
one's
think
real.
I don't think I'm even gonna put a link for this one, so.
Probably.
Okay, here goes, guys. Oh my god.
See?
Oh my god.
Ah!
No. Oh my god.
That's so far down there. Blue.
Oh my god.
It's squirting. That was blood squirting. Oh god. Ew, that's disgusting. So swollen. Oh my god. That was a welder. Branded it. Holy fuck. Oh. Holy cow.
Oh my god.
That's huge. Don't ever watch that. The stupid moment.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna post a link to that video. Don't watch it, please. Like, really, don't watch it. That's ever. That's not meant for the human eye. Like, if you're into some insane body modifications, and I mean, like, intense body modifications, go ahead and watch that, guys. But I don't know. I didn't even know what this crap was about until someone told me about it. Don't go watch that video. I'm serious. You'll really regret it. Alright, guys. Give me some feedback, what you guys think of the video. Like, that actual video, not ours, unless you want to. But, give me some feedback. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more reactions. Alright, guys. See you later.